Welcome back. I look like a whole mess again. I just came from work. Luminos, come back. I'm so excited for this. Y'all don't even fucking know. If you've noticed, I reacted to their last release, which was Wish We Are Here, which, by the way, one of their best songs, for real. I love that song so much. And now they're back with a full album. Fucking get it. And the song Engine. I can never pronounce this word again after Enhypen's fandom name, so I literally just say Engine. Like they said there, you know what I mean, but yeah. Engine. That's how you pronounce it. Engine, this word, not the Enhypen fan club, yeah, but Luminous. I've been a stan since their last real album title track. I fell in love with them after watching some of their videos, and they're just so fun, and I watch everything they release, and I love them so much. They're so cool. They have such great music. They're so underrated, so I hope they get some more fans this comeback. Please. My bias is Youngbin. Love him more than anything. And yeah, I didn't watch any teasers, nothing. I'm blind as shit into this. I only saw the teaser pictures, and yeah, I'm very excited, so let's go. This is not the vibe I thought we were going for. I thought this was gonna be bright. What? Oh my god, woman! I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, Steven? Wait, this music video is so cool! Sweet! Ah! What the fuck? I love this. Oh my god, he looks so sweet. So cute. This is so cute. This part is so cool. Also, I fucking love Steven's hair. Looks so pretty. Oh! I'm sorry. Oh no! I'm gonna cry. Oh my. This music video is so cool and there's so much work put into this. I love it. They leveled up in terms of music video for sure. Holy shit. The transitions and everything. Oh. Yes. Oh, he's so cute. I'm sorry, Suil is destroying my life. What the fuck do you mean? Wait, there's so much to process from this run. What the fuck? The budget on this went up so much. They got so much more money for the music video, and you can see it. And the editing, they went off with this. Holy shit, the transitions were fucking cool. So many cool sets, so many cool angles, and they also had some drone shots. So fucking incredible. the members look fantastic. They sound fantastic. The song is fucking cool. Like, I love how cute it is, but then like the after the like the second chorus is like more like bouncy hip hop rap maybe, I don't know. It's so cool. I love this so much. Oh my god, like they've only done like a lot of dark stuff, but wow, they fit this concept so well. Beautiful. But yeah, that was my reaction to Engine Engine by Luminos. And yeah, I hope I see you again next time. Bye.